Hello guys, MrRaiz0r here. I just wanted to show you guys a few things that I've started with. I actually started coding. So in school, we just started by doing all the basic stuff and all that. I've actually just done this for 2 days, so do not get mad at me because I suck at this, but I'm gonna try to explain just the basics of coding in HTML. So HTML is like the language that every web browser speaks. So if you want to make a website, you can use HTML to be able to build the website, kind of. I don't know how to explain it better than that, but I think it's sorry for burping. it's something like that. So here we're gonna start with coding the first thing. If you don't have Notepad++, you can just use the normal Notepad. It's not really a big difference. Actually, I'm just gonna use the normal Notepad just for convenience. So at first you have the HTML. These marks, I don't know the name of them, but the arrow thingy that you use to do a heart. Those things you need to like the language is using a lot of these things, so you need to learn how to use these. When I want to do my website, I need to have HTML. I'm so bad at explaining this, so I'm just gonna show you what I can do, because I have no clue what's really going on. I can just remember the few basic commands that you do that I am going to do right now. I'm actually gonna put up a picture on like a local website, kind of just like this, which I have a picture right here as I'm opening up website, but this is not online, so you could not take this link and use it on your own website or your own internet web browser. There we go. You can't do that. This is just my local things, so I'm just gonna show you guys how to do that and actually make it look a bit better than this, because as you can see, it's completely stretched out, and I'm gonna show you guys how everything works. So here we go. No, I'm not gonna show you guys how everything works because I can't explain it, but I'm just gonna show you guys what, when I do this happens, kind of. So this is my basic what you should this is what you should start with. HTML on both sides, one up and one down, and then you need to do a head. You can probably think of this as a head, and then when you end the head, you need to make a backslash. Is this a backslash or forward slash? That's a forward slash. Okay, so you need to make a forward slash every time you end something. I don't know. I'm so bad at this, I'm sorry. Okay, and then and then you have the body too, actually, when you code. So you have the head and a body. Unfortunately, you don't have legs, neither arms, but you should still be able to live with this. I think you do. Maybe you have arms. I don't know. We'll see later when I get better at this. So then I want to end the body, and that's how you do that. Okay, so when you want to use the head is actually this thing. Let's see, I go into Google, and that is the head. It's like a little picture right there, which I can't do yet, but I can make the name look like whatever I want. So I am going to make the title of this title Gainus Pro Stuff. Okay, and then just end the title, because I'm ending the language thingy. I don't know. I'm ending it. Okay, so there we go. We have a title. So let's see, I want to use this as a website. I'm gonna just save this as all files gay story dot. What do you save these as? Oh yeah, HTML, obviously. I'm so derpy today, I'm sorry. Okay, there we go. And as you can see, this is what the website is called. Gainus Pro Stuff. It's not online. So don't ever search on gayness pro stuff, trust me, it's really bad. I've done it before, and whew, I think I have nightmares from it, actually. Alright, so that's the thing you want to do with that. Okay, so then you have the body. This is actually what contains everything. So it's almost like a human body because it contains everything, right? Yeah? Okay. So terrible. Alright, so in this video I'm just gonna show you guys a little quick thing that I learned. I can actually place picture inside of a web browser. I am so pro. Actually, it's just the same thing as doing this, but I can do it with a notepad. Do you guys want to see how I do it? Okay, here we go. I think that means image, and then if you write src, that means source. So then I need to do a whatever that equal sign, quotation mark, and then write the name on their name. Then that accent just completely went to hell. Okay, so you need to write what the name is, what the file is called. So live stream picture. I'm gonna just copy that actually. Live stream picture. That's actually, this is the picture that I use on my live stream site. If you guys didn't know that, that's kind of obvious because the name is live stream picture. MrRaiz0r, stop just explaining obvious things. You are so stupid. Okay, it's a PNG file. So then I want to do .png because otherwise the program doesn't recognize that it's a picture or neither a file. I think this just makes sense after a while, I think. Okay, so if I want this to look like 720p, like high quality shit, then I want to do the picture. I can determine the height and the width of the picture. So let's see, I want to have this in 720p. I need to make the height 720 because the height, let's see, you have a computer screen or computer monitor. The height of the screen is usually, or the aspect ratio is usually 16:9. So if you have a screen that is 16:9, you need to take the 9 thing of the 16:9 is the height, and then 16 is the width. So that was a really bad explanation, but whatever. Okay, equal sign, quotation, and then there we go. We have that ready. All right, so I think if I do like that, I should be done actually. So if I want to save this, save it, take it down, open up Gay Story. Oh, I have the picture. But through this thing, do you guys understand how pro I am right now? This is I think I deserve some candy. Yeah, I do. Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome. Okay. Yep. Alright. I hope you guys enjoyed this goofy video of me trying to code. I am just starting out, so if you guys are better than me at coding, I don't think you are, but I'm just gonna of course you are, right? Comment below if you have any awesome coding like teaching skills. I don't know. I guess that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm going to see you in the next video I make. It's not gonna be about coding, trust me. This is just a one-time thing.